Welcome back to the channel that brings you on an exhilarating ride into the fascinating world of heavy equipment machines. The Liebherr machine features a giant bucket capable of moving up to 60 tons of material in one go. Its precision and power make transferring or gravel fast and efficient. A massive chain excavator cuts through the ground, creating precise trenches for utilities. Its accuracy and power make it ideal for large-scale construction projects. A machine efficiently trims road shoulders and steep slopes, leaving perfectly manicured grass behind its powerful mowers and reliable maneuverability. Make it the king of green zone maintenance. A bucket elevator gently lifts both materials to the desired height, minimizing losses and dust. Its modular design allows precise adjustments to speed and volume, making it indispensable for transporting grain, coal, or cement in industrial settings. This legendary truck with 10-foot tires not only impresses with its size, but also conquers obstacles. Other machines can only dream of its powerful engine and unique suspension tackle, mud, rocks, and cars with ease. An innovative hydraulic attachment for excavators creates powerful vibrations, instantly breaking up rocks. The Already 2 works faster and quieter than traditional hammers, with a design that minimizes wear and tear. A massive wheeled platform handles loads of up to 180 tons, moving, building, step by step. Its hydraulic system guarantees stability and precision, ensuring safe transport even over long distances. The Centurion trailer easily handles massive tires weighing up to 10 tons each. Hydraulic lifts and secure fastenings ensure safe transport even on rough terrain. This machine with hydraulic knives cuts steel rails to precise lengths with millimeter accuracy. Compact and powerful, it's indispensable for railway construction and repair. The hydraulic splitter secures the wood and effortlessly splits logs up to 47 inches thick. Reinforced blades and automatic positioning ensure high precision in operation. Equipment with extendable booms is equipped with hydraulic tools for dismantling concrete and metal structures of an old water tower. Smooth movements and precision prevent damage to surrounding infrastructure. A massive quarry giant easily crushes a car under its 12-foot wheels. The weight of the machine and its powerful design make this a spectacular feat, accomplished effortlessly. John Deere's powerful grabs and blades move gracefully, processing trees up to 60 feet long, like a hairstylist for the forest only working nonstop. The Men's Book excavator with leg supports adapts to any terrain, be it steep slopes or rocky areas. Its bucket and powerful hydraulic manipulators perform precise work, even in hard-to-reach locations. The grab bucket dredger with a capacity of up to 12 cubic yards scoops soil from the bottom and lifts to the surface. Its specialized design ensures precision even at great depths. This continuous operation machine bites into coal seams with powerful cutting tools, crushing the rock on site. An automatic conveyor delivers the extracted material for loading, eliminating downtime, and ensuring a stable flow of production. That's all the amazing machines I have for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon. See you next time.